hadi. I'm so happy.
August has always been my favorite. Despite being known as a ghost month and despite this quarantine, it remains to be that. Every day is an opportunity to be thankful for the little things. What a privilege it all is to live, to breathe, to enjoy, to love. So appreciate random flowers blooming, or starting a new business, receiving random visits, sunsets, being able to see friends with precaution, dancing, healing, finally being complete, phone calls from long-distance friends, celebrating another year, being appreciated and loved, finally reaching that 1,000 subscribers, and so much more. There are so many things to be thankful for. Most of the time, they happen in those small moments of every day. Those seconds in between that goes unnoticed. Those mundane, minuscule things that mean so much. When we start being thankful for all the little things of every day, all the big things will follow. And that's when we realize how blessed we truly are. How was your August?